here's a couple things. There's been a lot of confusion. I'm getting a lot of emails and messages. And so I want to first think, because it's all about, like, vitamin C. So here's the thing. Let me first clarify about the vitamin C. Okay. So vitamin C is L-ascorbic acid. When you see other names under it, it's typically a vitamin C derivative. Now, some forms are more stable than the actual vitamin C, and that's why it can work better. And also, if you are using retin A or retinol, okay, and your skin tends to be a little bit more sensitive, then over time, people say, I'm getting increased dryness by using L-ascorbic acid, and that is common. So if you're using retin A or retinol, then it may be better for you. And again, I'm speaking generally speaking, you may be better off with a vitamin C derivative. Okay, so the other thing too is the vitamin C ferulic, which is SkinCeuticals, is what they're known for. Okay, that one's the L-ascorbic one. That helps with fine lines and wrinkles and firmness because it is an antioxidant. So what that means is it neutralizes free radicals. And free radicals, it is what breaks down anything over time. So let's say you have a rusted can, the ones that are like all rusted out, and you start to see holes in them. So that's called oxidation. And that's what happens to our bodies as we age. Things start to break down. We start to get more achy. Things don't work quite as well. So that one is best for that. And that works well with the triple restore. And so there's a special that is for that one. And I'll tell you guys about that. You guys can get that free if you go onto that link. And that is typically it's for people who have aging skin or alopecia skin. So skin that's basically produces very little oil. The sebaceous glands are actually smaller. So if you're consistently having very dry skin, or you have aging and mature skin, that's better for you. The fluorescent one, which is the new one, the CF, that is better for discoloration and pigmentation. Okay. The Silymarin, the CF one, that is for oiliness and blemishes. So sometimes you hear people saying, I used a vitamin C serum and it broke me out. Well, and if you have oily skin or blemish-prone skin, the Silymarin CF is better for you, okay? And that you usually pair with a blemish or age defense. If you have sensitive skin, this could be rosacea skin, this could be eczema prone, you have prone to flushing, then you can pair that with the Phyto Corrective gel, and that one is the Serum 10, okay? So I just want to clarify that before you go on and you buy something that is not for you. Okay.